Hi friends, welcome to another daily Bitcoin review. Today I want to talk about the Bitcoin, especially bull market. When it's gonna start, will we see this bull market or not? And this information will be useful as for the traders as is for investors. And if you are somehow involved with the Bitcoin, you probably should to hear those kind of complex approach, which one I'm gonna show you, trading system, right? And in this video I'm going to use the technical analysis, and this is really important that you watch this video till the end, because the technical analysis is something what you need to hear from the beginning to the end, because this information, to understand this information fully, right? So if you want to know what is going on with Bitcoin, you probably should to hear this video from the beginning to the end, and this is really important. Also important that in trading I'm using the complex approach, and minimum 4 or 5 conditions should to match before entering trade, and those all conditions are work harmoniously together with each other, and giving us some results. So basically, let's go to the market and let's check the price, and let's talk about basically about the market, right? What is going on? First of all, we are seeing some kind of bear market right over here, that we are having the whole bear market as ABC correction. Today in this video I'm going to use the technical analysis, and I'll try to keep it as simple as possible that each one of you could understand, even the people who never touched the technical analysis. I think you will understand here. If you clearly will listen to me, I will step by step and slowly will talk without some complicated words, complicated indicators, just the clear facts. So what is going on? First of all, a lot of people are screaming about the bull market. Yeah, of course we are pumping, and that's the kind of the sign for them, like, hey, it's time for bull market or something like that. But we are not listening for them. We don't listen some news. We don't listen someone's opinion or something like that. We are trading something what already been checked many times, right? And this theory, which one we are using in this complex approach, this is not non-linear, because the markets are non-linear. This is fractal or dynamic waiver, right? The all markets, because first of all our brain is like that, and the market is like one huge brain and huge of information, right? So all of the linear instruments like MA or something like that, I'm not using those things, and I'm not saying that it doesn't works, but for me it doesn't work. So I don't care about others' opinion, and if these things bring for you money, no problem. In my trading system, I'm using more non-linear analysis and fractals, waves, and all the dynamic theories and indicators, right? But of course I have some liners as a MACD, but those instruments are just it's for the recognizing some other conditions for some wave stuffs or fractals or something like that. But okay, I'm not gonna make it complicated, that each one of you could understand. Right now we are seeing some kind of bear market, and this bear market, we see clear impulse. All the bear markets are ABC correction. So here it is A, B, and C. Why I put the wave C here? Because if we take a Fibonacci and put on the beginning of the wave A, end of the wave A, end of the wave B, we will see that levels for Bitcoin and for wave C is 1.2. So basically, as we see, the price didn't touch that level yet, what means that we are still in the bear market, and still we should to retest that levels. This is what is telling us waves plus Fibonacci's, right? That's the one of the things what we are trading, right? So basically, to say that, okay, we're not going to trust our waves and we're not going to trust our other technical stuffs, right? There must have something like suspicions, right? Like something we should to see, that we will see like, oh, okay, those waves, it doesn't work, right? But for now, what can we see? Like, why should I say that the 12,000 is not coming? Like, I don't have any other conditions in my trading system, except some kind of Twitter, except some kind of opinions, which one is really doesn't matter actually, some news, which one is always coming, some news, some BlackRock stuff or something like that. That's really amazing, like how the people thinks that this guy will make you all rich. That this is like kind of like, I don't know, the crazy stuff, right? So basically that's why, I mean, it doesn't matter how higher it will go the price right now. It doesn't matter like what's gonna do price, because I'm just listening to my trading system. My trading system is telling me that still we have to go down. Okay, does the waves works like 100%? No, it doesn't. Of course, sometimes waves is gonna do some breaks or something like that. But all of those things, when the scenario is invalid, we can see it before, right? Some other indicators telling us that, oh, you know, that there is some kind of tricky stuff is going on, and this is already not the wave C, and shrunk, something happened there, right? But for now, we don't have any kind of sign that there won't be such a deeper correction, one more thing. And as of fifth wave, I will show you where is that. So basically, we are seeing the wave C. Wave C is the impulsive wave. What does it mean? It means there must have 5 impulsive wave. Here's the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What I like in this, first of all, what I believe the volumes, of course. Volumes is the most right indicator, is the most kind of true indicator, which one is connected to something and not the connected what happened previously, right? All indicators like MACDs and all of the stuff, those indicators are showing you what happened before, and it's not what happening for right now. So basically, the most good indicator actually in liner scenario, right? In liner tools is the volumes. So basically, if we are saying the volumes are decreasing and price is rising, that's something is wrong happening, right? It means like, why the fuck, why the price is rising, and why the people are not interested about the Bitcoin, right? Basically, yeah, if this is the impulse and this is kind of like wave 1, 2, and 3, right? And we will see the new bull market. Okay, no problem. I don't say that this is not. Just show me some other conditions. But when you're clearly seeing that volumes are decreasing, right now we are not blind, right? We are saying that volumes are decreasing in all time frames, right? If you check the Coinbase, if you check the Binance, on all other main exchanges, the volumes are decreasing. So what does it mean? It means that price is hitting all-time highs, and on higher prices no one interesting. The people are interesting more lower, right? So basically we was dropping, and here been some kind of volumes. So this is like kind of why this confirmation. This is wave 3. There is a splash of volumes, as we see. Look at that here. This is like kind of impulse. You see, the volumes are crazy increasing, right? This is the impulse, and this is correction. So that's why wave 3 is impulsive wave, right? And wave 4, correctional wave. There is the volumes, divergence between price and volumes. So, and all other things, guys, and right now I want you guys listen to me clearly. This is always keeping in my mind, and a lot of people are saying that, oh, is the Bitcoin oversold? There like a lot of people already bought? If it will go to 12K or 4K or whatever it is, right? How it's possible? Who will give us such a cheap Bitcoin or something like that? Oh my God, that you cannot trust such kind of thing. You don't know, first of all, right? There is no, in the market, there is no such a thing as oversold. If we will look at the market as a market doing its own job, and his job is to find a fair price, right? There never, even for 1 second, won't be think as a oversold, something oversold. So all of these indicators, which one is showing you that the market is oversold, is most of them are non-linear indicators, and the market is most of those indicators are linear, and the market is not non-linear stuff, right? So basically, you are using like some how to say, you are like a playing different game on the you are taking the balls into the foot and playing the football, right? That's the weird, right? So basically that's why, guys, I don't believe such kind of indicators. I don't use such kind of indicators in my theory. So basically, as the people, I want to mention one more time and ask you clearly that question. As we went to the 16,000, right, or 17, 16,000, why the people didn't do all in here? Why? I mean, I'm sure that most of you didn't buy the Bitcoin over here. I'm sure, right? Because everybody was thinking that the price will go lower, and even lower, like will go to the zero even, right? That's the thing. As the price, we will go one more time lower, right? You think the people will start by now? Why do you think that the people will start to buy right now? If the people didn't buy here, it means the people won't buy even on the 12,000. The people didn't buy on the 16,000. How the people will buy on 12,000, right? Or 8,000. So that's the stuff. The fear is what is the drives those markets, right? So there is no such a thing. Oh, who will give me such a cheap Bitcoin? If you have your own trading stuff, that if the Bitcoin goes on $12,000 and you go lean, right? First of all, you did the wrong move, because the Bitcoin can go 12,000 and 4,000 and $500 even, right? It can go as lower as it needs, right? So basically it's your trading like kind of logic that, oh, the $12,000 for me is good, right? So you are one of the volumes here. Which one will be in the future? So if you are such assured that on $12,000, if the price will come on $12,000, if you are so sure that this is oversold over there, so it means after it's gonna hit the $12,000, you're gonna all in it. But you will not, as you didn't all in on the 16,000, you won't do that on the 12,000, and of course you will not do it in the 9,800 because you will be scared as fuck. That's that's all the fear. So that's why, guys, I want you guys be a little bit cold-hearted in the market, and this is what I will talk about in the markets, and about the tradings, investments, and some stuff. You need to be cold-hearted, and the most important, you should to have a right instruments and correct instruments to trading and to do some financial decisions. This is really, really important, because if you're gonna trust someone, this is your indicator. If you're entering in Twitter and opening some kind of guy, or like the guy who is like just earning the money because he's just talking, right? This is your indicator. As I'm using the like wave for you, the guy will be like, such kind of guy will be your indicator. If you believe that there's something as oversold, right, the Bitcoin or something like that, this is your indicator. Same like I'm using the volumes, right? And basically there's no such a thing, there's no proven on the long distance that this trading system as a oversold and not oversold indicator is working. No, it doesn't work. It never will work, because the markets are non-linear and those instruments are linear. So that's why those things, like, you just live in the wrong world, right? You just you wanna this is work like that is all indicators is easy to use or something like that. No, in the market is 99% always is uncertainty. Your money is driving in uncertainty, and the people who accept this uncertainty and fight with this, with the right instruments, with right psychology, with right books, with right like philosophy or whatever it is, right, whatever it needs, because it's the markets are not created for your brain. It is not created for you exactly. It's created to take money from you. So basically, if you want to earn something here, you need to change yourself fundamentally. I want to tell you. So that's why there is no such a thing as easy money. Easy money becomes after realization and after recognition, and after you have the right instruments to trade and right approach to do that. So right. So that's why, guys, I want you review those things. I have a Telegram club, the link in the description below. It's all for free. I don't charge anything for that. So basically you can enter, and there I will give a lot of some kind of trading tips, my trading system, and then whatever, etc., such kind of thing. So you can also DM me. We can review the market. I don't charge any penny from that, and we can discuss and talk. If it will help you, of course it will help me as well, because I will improve myself. So that's why, guys, I still believe that the Bitcoin will go to $12,000. Not believe, I still believe, and I will believe my trading system, I mean, till it works, right? And my trading system works pretty nice. So that's why I have no like kind of other things to say that, yeah, okay, we are ready to break the $32,000 right now, and let's go to $100,000, right? No. First, let's break this level. If we break this kind of correction, or this kind of resistance, after let's talk, of course, and after I will be with you and let's long the market. But before that, everything goes super harmonious. All the indicators day by day, week by week, month by month is giving us that here's something going on, yo, and it's time to act. Your trading system is telling you. So why the hell is not, right? So that's why. So basically, yeah, the wave 6 levels are around $12,000. Wave 5, we are right now, let's check the levels for wave 4 once again. Here we put the Fibonacci on the beginning of the wave 3, end of the wave 3. So the levels for Bitcoin is 0.5, 0.6. Those are the most likely where the prices comes, and this is the zone of high attention. From this level, we are expecting some kind of reversal. So basically, we touch it twice already. Like it is the double top right now, I think. So we touch that resistance, and straightly we are seeing some kind of extreme candles. Like if we're gonna break it by candle analysis, all other stuff in the zone of high attention, we are seeing on a weekly time frame, and as higher time frame is more will work out, right? So basically on a daily time frame, there's like a tenth of the candles, like which one is telling us about some massive global scenario to revert to do some kind of reversal, right? So yeah, so everything goes super harmoniously. We are in the zone of high attention, and we have all other signs to short the market. If you are an investor, of course, do not sell your Bitcoin, because if you bought around $16,000, your like main target to hit it like in the new bull market. This is not bull market. This is just a correction. So save, keep some money, and if you didn't all in over here, you can step by step, as the price will drop and drop and drop, you can buy. You cannot buy exactly on the dip. The dip could happen on the 8,000, I mean total bottom, right? It can happen on 8,000, 12,000, 10,000, you don't know. But averagely, you need to buy somewhere over here, but not on the top of that. Don't buy the Bitcoin right now, even if you like kind of really wants to, and really we are in the bull market or something like that. No, you need to buy Bitcoin in the deep corrections as an investor, at least deep correction. Deep correction means like if this was impulse, okay, this is wave 1, 2, and at least on 19,500, from that level start to buy the Bitcoin. And of course, listen some other indicators as the volumes, as the fractals, all other stuff, which one I'm sharing in my Telegram club, and you are welcome to follow me if you want so, and you want to hear some opinion. And I will guide you all this kind of movement. So we are in the zone of high tension of wave 4. So right now let's check the wave 5, and let's see, right, where we expecting our main target as a wave 5, because our main target as wave 4, we say that over here. I mean, I didn't have a Telegram club and I didn't have a channel at that time, but I have some screenshots, and later I'll show you that I was talking about this scenario like it will have exactly on here, and exactly here I'm expecting that we will see such kind of conditions long time ago, like 6 months ago and more, right? So now I was long here, I was long in the market, and right now I'm turning bullish. I'm not like some crazy guy which one was shorting all this market up. No, of course I'm shorting right now, and my mood getting short since we touched this resistance over here. So let's check the main target for wave 5. We put the Fibonacci here on the wave 1, wave 3, and wave 4. So main target is 11,500. Let's mark that level over here. So 0.6 is the level for wave 5. So as you see, this wave 5 super good matches with the wave C, right? The minimum of the level C. So basically it means that most likely we break down this wave super correctly. And I think there's no other way to break down this market by waves, because first of all, I want to say that I mean, this is my kind of rule, and I will give you some tip right now, all for free. If you are seeing the most high volumes, such kind of thing, the most likely this is wave 3, because wave 3 is the most impulsive wave, and there will be always some kind of massive splash of volumes. So as we're seeing that this wave 3 is over here, and after step by step follow, like you will see the wave 4, you will find some other wave 5, and etc. But first, your main target is to find the wave 3. If you found the wave 3, after it's getting easier. So we see here clearly that wave 4 works super harmoniously, because this divergence is like a candy, like it is super beautiful, right? And plus here, like A, B, C correction, I mean, clear, all the levels touch its own levels, like super smoothly, and by volumes and by fractals everything goes super good. So basically, yeah, the wave 5 is the main target is 11,500, around 12k. This is like a main target, but we don't know, of course. We can say main target as wave C's, right, is like 12,000, but of course it is possible that wave 5 could be trunked. But before that, if the fifth wave is becoming some kind of trunked, we are seeing it before. We will see some kind of I mean, disbalance inside of volumes. The fractal's gonna do some stuff, right? And there will be some kind of deep corrections, like wave 1 shorten, wave 2 deep, wave 3 shorten, wave 4 deep, and wave 5 trunked, and etc. So such kind of things that you can see clearly by eyes. But before that, we're not seeing such kind of things, because the wave 5 maybe didn't start yet, right? Here we will see maybe once again we will touch that 0.6 level, and after we'll do some kind of massive massive reversal and massive stuff. So yeah, before that we don't have any kind of confirmation that there is will be the wave 5 trunked fifth wave trunk. Fifth wave means when the fifth wave didn't touch its own levels, like this 12,000k for example, right? And yeah, most likely it's happening such kind of things, but not every time. Here also we have such kind of wave 5. This is actually here, this is wave 5, and it touched exactly its own level. There have 5 impulsive waves, and I'm still expecting some kind of up a little bit, right? So this is what actually I mean. So for investors, as a swings perspective, it is a really good time to short the market and play a little bit longer time game, right? Take profits around 19,500, stop losses around 36,000 dollars. Over there you can put some stop losses, and first take profit around 19,500, second take profits around 16,000, and as longer you want to keep it, like until the markets will tell you so, right? So all this wave 5 we will break down in the Telegram club. If something changed like in a second, I straightly will give you a signal in my Telegram club. So don't forget to enter. It's all for free right now, and the people who are entering right now for free, it will be for you for free forever. And I have a lot of huge plans for that group, and I will charge the price for that in the future. But before that, each one of you, it will gonna be all for free for you. Yeah, guys, about the scalping, I'm not gonna talk about that a lot, because okay, let's break down a little bit, but because there is nothing really to break down, because we are in a really major resistance. We are expecting some kind of major reversal or major breakdown. If we break that level 34,000 and we hold over there, right, of course we can say that this all information which I'm telling you today, this is invalid. But and after I will give you something new, and we will trade new kind of new way. But before it happens, everything goes super smoothly. And in the scalp perspective, you can try to long the market in scalp. Scalp means you ready to first of all do good risk management, because this trading is super risky, first of all, right? So be careful and trade carefully. But if you want to long the market, here is the clear resistance. Let's do it like this. For example, we 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? And this fifth wave you can take until the half around $30,000. I mean, until here, right? So basically, from the, let me check the levels for wave 4. Here we are, 0.5, 0.6. Here I gave the signal in my trading club. Basically, people I think earn some money there. Because we touched that exactly, and exactly we went to 30,000. So the people who trade this already are in the profit. But still, I'm still thinking that this is wave 4, and this is like kind of wrong correction over here, like a bull flag. I think it will create some kind of bull flag. In the previous videos I was talking about the bull flag, that this is bear flag, and I'm so sorry because I get some mistakes. So yeah, this is the bull flag, and it looks like a bull flag right now. So maybe we will retest this level once again, and as we see here have some crazy sell down, right? And from these levels, like 28,500 to 27,700. This is the levels where you want to have a business with Bitcoin. And if you want long a little bit and take profits over here, cut it really quick. As you will see some kind of profits, just take it and go away, because like this is like really tricky wave 5, and anytime can happen something over here. So guys, thank you so much. I want to thank each one of you who is subscribing me, who is supporting me right now, putting some comments, like likes and etc., who is DM me. These people are amazing, guys. Hello to everybody for you guys. I like to talk to you. I like to break down all the questions. Maybe sometimes I'm not answering during the day, but for sure I will answer. I saw your message and I will answer you. Just give me a time, because I'm a little bit busy, of course, and making some content stuff, and during the day I'm a little bit busy. So don't get mad on me and don't get me wrong. So sooner or later I will answer you, and for sure we will break down every question which one you got. I love you so much, guys. Thank you for this supporting me. If you like my technical analysis and you like my breakdown, you are welcome to subscribe to my channel, enter my Telegram club, and welcome to us. But if you are not the gambler, I don't like the gamblers. I don't invite those guys, and you guys move your your way, guys, and do your gambling stuff outside of my club, because the people here are learning the true, what is the real trading, what is the real investments, finances, and etc. So thank you so much for the watching. See you tomorrow, and bye bye.